The voltage drop interactive calculator helps you determine electrical losses in your wiring systems and ensure proper conductor sizing. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 5 options: calculate voltage drop, calculate required wire size, calculate maximum length, calculate maximum current, or calculate percent voltage drop. I'm using calculate voltage drop. Next, choose your wire size from 18 AWG options ranging from 18 AWG down to 40 AWG. I've selected 14 AWG. For conductor material, you can pick copper with a resistivity of 1.724 times 10 to the negative 8th ohm meters, or aluminum at 2.826 times 10 to the negative 8th ohm meters. I'm using copper. Now enter your values. I'm inputting current at 15 amps, one-way length at 100 feet, system voltage at 120 volts, and maximum voltage drop at 3.6 volts. After clicking calculate, here are the results. The voltage drop is 7.58 volts with a percent drop of 6.31%. The load voltage drops to 112.42 volts. Total conductor resistance measures 0.5050 ohms. The wire size confirms 14 AWG copper, and the status shows excessive, indicating you should increase wire size since it exceeds 5%. This calculator streamlines your voltage drop calculations for any electrical project. Find the link in the description below.